Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel HM Pharmacy. How to pass practicals in B Pharmacy. See, this video is all B Pharmacy guys, those who are writing the practical examination. And this is one of the 100% working trick for you. If you follow this trick means it will help you a lot in your examination. Now just directly I will start the video. See how to pass practicals easily in your examination without any effort. See, before going to that practicals, you remember that you have to keep your pre-preparation for the examination. Like it's not a reading, like a record. This is very important one. Record you have to keep clean and neat. Apron should be there. Okay, and all the instruments you have to keep, like your instrument box, pencil, pen, rubber, or eraser, sharpener. These all basic requirements is there, no? That you have to keep in your bag. Okay, while you are entering the lab, before only you have to wear the apron. That also credits you a good point to pass the examination. Are you getting what I am telling? These all things you have to keep in mind. And now let's discuss about the examinations. What we have to read. So remember one thing, there is a lot to read in the practicals. Many questions are there, practical questions are there. So it's not possible to read all. You remember, always your teacher will give you the practicals of what they are given in the sessional examination. You attempted first sessional exam and second sessional exam. In that first sessional and second sessional, what your teachers is giving now to write the examination, definitely that only they will give you in a major experiment and in a minor experiment. Clear? Practical also 100 marks. 100 marks. Major and minor experiment you will get from where? From the sessional. First sessional and your second sessional. Go through that perfectly. You go through that, and basically in practical examinations, what you know, they will tell everything before only. Not only the system of one college, this is a system of maximum more than 90% colleges. They will tell their students, you read these experiments, selected experiment, because a huge experiments, many experiments are there and there is no time to conduct all. So they are selecting 3 experiments in major and 3 experiments in minor. They are telling you read these 3 and 3 so that you can get. And synopsis questions, if principles are there, means you go through that principles, they will ask from the principle. Principle plays a vital role. Okay, this principle you have to go through that principle. And definition of the particular experiment. Definition. Many definitions are there. In that you remember the main definitions used in the principles. Okay, and main definitions which asked in our examination. Now see, this practical and theory, they are super related to each other. Yes or not? What you do means you just go through the question paper. Which question paper? One question paper, only one. That is what you wrote this year. That question paper, 2 marks questions you refer. What you refer? 2 marks question. From that, sometime they will ask in synopsis. And our last is about viva. In viva, what questions they will ask? Simple questions, what you have done in experiments, what your lectures are telling, teachers are telling, these three experiment, you just rewind that those experiments. In that only your lecture will ask there. Okay, the external will ask from that only. Basic questions he will ask, no tricky questions, because during viva, in the mind of that external, there is no questioning of trickies, means no tricky questions at all. Clear what I am telling? Why? Because means there is no time for them to ask you a tricky questions and make you confused. No, they will ask simple and basic question so that immediately they can finish the practical and they can go from there. Okay, because they want to give the result also, for that reason. So better you don't be worried, hurried, buried. Just be calm and write to a practical exam. There is no need to worry, because you will not fail in the practical. Okay, some 1 or 2, but you don't worry. In that 1 or 2, you are not there. don't worry, you will not fail in the practical at all, because practicals are conducted in a very liberal way all over the Karnataka. Not only Karnataka, in all over the India, practical labs are conducted very liberal way. And this experiments what you done in sessional, no, if you practice that all, means definitely you will pass your practical exams. No worry about that. Yes, now we discuss about the practical exams, and in practical exams what measures you have to follow and all. And also you have discussed some of the important practicals, and you discussed here viva questions, how they ask, and also synopsis and all, etc. So, and also remember one thing, don't remove your Efron in the lab, go outside the lab, then you remove the Efron. This is the one technique to maintain your prosperity, to maintain your handsomeness. Okay, these things you have to follow, so that you can get some credit points. Okay, so if you like this video, means you share, don't forget to share this video with your friends, please. As soon as you observe this video, if you like it, means then you share, don't worry. Thank you.